Welcome to Las Vegas, a city of lights, luck, and legendary buffets. In a city that's known for indulgence, a buffet is basically like a rite of passage when you're in town. What used to be in almost every single resort is now very, very rare in Las Vegas. We just lost a very big one over at the Luxor. I've taken you guys to a few of them so far, but this next one is one that I have never been to. This one's got some really great reviews and has been recommended for me to try for quite a while. I'm Dani702, and in today's episode, we are hitting the buffet. We are here at Wicked Spoon at the Cosmopolitan. Now think about it. You're hungry and you want options. But from what I hear, Wicked Spoon is among the top 3 and maybe one of your best options for the price.
Whether you're rolling with a hangover, a huge appetite, or just some high expectations, this is a buffet that seems to always end up on people's must-eat list.
All right, so let's talk about location. Wicked Buffet is tucked away inside the Cosmopolitan on Las Vegas Boulevard, all the way to the back of the resort. But it seems to fit right in with the hotel's upscale and trendy vibe. The price of the buffet will set you back $47 per person normally. But last month, they started a deal for Las Vegas locals, and on Wednesday, it is $38 with a local ID. They'll be open every day from 8 to 2, so breakfast and lunch only. And is this the best buffet in Las Vegas? Let's find out. It's currently a Wednesday and it's 1 o'clock, so 1 hour until they close the buffet. You can see there's a little bit of a line. We've been waiting maybe 6 minutes. We're about halfway through this line so far, but you can see there's a whole queue. They definitely expect a lot more people. I do hear this is a very, very busy buffet on weekends especially. We overheard that they stopped serving at 3. So they stopped seating at 2, stopped serving at 3. So I think we're safe with timing. But right away when you walk in, you'll notice that it's got a signature Cosmo style. So elevated, artsy, kind of a cool hip vibe without trying too hard. Now I've read this buffet has won an award for the dessert section too, and you guys know that is my favorite part of the buffet, so we're gonna have to save some room. When we sat down, they did say that we had 90 minutes here, so they do give you a limit. Let's go eat. Definitely unlike any other buffet that I've been to, we typically go to the budget-friendly buffets. I feel like the presentation is key here. This is a tuna plate, corn tortillas, and chicharrones, kale salad, wedge salads already made for you, Caesar salads. Oh, there's an anchovy. Interesting. I normally don't do salad either, but this is calling my name. Summer spring salad. So you got salami over here. There's fig jam, olives, so you can make your own charcuterie board basically. An array of seasonal fruit, and of course you got your shrimp cocktail. I've got to try a shrimp cocktail. It's kind of a must when you come to a Las Vegas buffet. And a couple different pastries and breads, croissants, rolls. This is banana bread, and I gotta do a banana bread. A couple of soups, so I see tomato and ham bean, and then a couple more breads here. First round. Small bites, I like that. I like how much dressing is on the Caesar salad. It's got the Parmesan on there too. I didn't want to eat the whole thing because I want to try a bunch of stuff, but this is really, really good. I've had some really horrible shrimp cocktails here in Vegas. These don't look like the frozen ones. 2 thumbs up, that's good. And they already took off the tail too. That was nice and convenient. Just want a small bite of the banana bread. If that is a peak of what the desserts are gonna taste like, this is gonna be amazing. That's funny, we usually don't get salad at all, and Eddie even ordered 2 salads. Dessert section is staring me down. You order the drinks with a server. I got an honor palmer. I think I'm gonna ask if there's a coffee too the next time he comes by. So I'm seeing breakfast and lunch, so brunch items like cinnamon French toast. That looks freaking amazing. Butter cake pancakes, looks like there is already sugar dusted on top. These ones are hard, these are soft. All right, some of those weren't feeling too good. Roasted potatoes, baby carrots, and applewood smoked bacon. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wicked fried chicken baskets at that. I love the presentation of this stuff. One of the highlights of a buffet is definitely the carving station, and they seem to have some really good and prime cut meats here. Slow roasted strip loin. Wow, beef brisket. Heck yes.
All right, so the popular one right now is our new tri-tip.
Okay.
The porcini mushroom crust.
Ooh, all right, let's
try some.
Yeah, let's try it.
Super popular.
All right.
Everyone that gets one comes right back.
Oh, oh, that looks beautiful. Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Rope sausage, yum. Al pastor marinated pork shoulder. Holy cow. Look at this sausage. It just looks glazed and yummy. Mashed potatoes and gravy. I do like that many of their servings are served in small plates. And it kind of forces me just to pick a few at a time because you can't put it all in one plate. Beef marrow bones. It says it's braised short rib, pickled red onions, and lemon gremolata. Angry macaroni and cheese. It definitely looks like there's some sort of seasoning on that. And creamed spinach. You have an egg station where you can get scrambled, fried, or an omelet. What is this? Oh, a crepe station! This is a must. Banana foster or berry compote?
Banana foster.
I knew that's what you were gonna get though, but yeah. Mexican cuisine down here with pork carnitas, tacos, beef flautas, guacamole and salsa. There is a chicken empanada. And the elote, they've got the Parmesan cheese, a little bit of sauce on there, and a taki or two. Even though I don't have waffles, I got pancakes and chicken. Cutting through this, it looks nice and fluffy. I did feel like some of them on the plate over there was hard and crispy. I guess, hey, you get your option if you like it well done or not. But yeah, that cut right through. Pancake was pretty standard. But we've got a French toast to try. Seems like there's some sort of like berry on it too. Ooh. French toast is where it is. Oh wow. It's got a crunchy outside and a nice gooey inside. It kind of tastes like the texture was kind of like the banana bread that I had just a moment ago too. Very good. Oh, they're like wings. Oh, I thought they were gonna be tenders. They're wings. Chicken's like not to die for, but good. You can tell that it's a good quality chicken. Just enough crisp to it, not overly done. A little greasy, but hey, try this banana foster crepe. That is so good. Wow, that was bomb. What do you think of the banana foster?
Really good.
He said it's really good. What is that?
Southpaw storm marinated pork
Ooh.
shoulder. So tender.
All right, we're gonna have to get one of those. We got a bone marrow and an egg benedict. I just had a bite of one of these at Costco yesterday. Yeah, this is really good. The guacamole is so good. Minimal amount of onions and very lemony, but it's good. Nice and smooth. I might be a little piggy on this one, so let's see. We got a carnitas taco. Not the flavor I'm used to for tacos. It tasted more like a fusion. I'm used to street tacos. Let's go. Yes. We got the brisket, we got the abadado, we got the tri-tip, and we got both sausages. Whoa. The abadado? Holy crud. Okay. I see you, Wicked Spoon. Holy free holies. Ooh, the brisket, freaking butter. That cut right through. I don't even think I need a knife. Yep. Dang. The carver said the tri-tip was the one to try. I asked him which one was the top favorite. He said this is kind of new to their menu. And he said I'd probably be back for more. The meats alone made this whole buffet worth it. Whatever they used to season this with, it's just got an amazing flavor to it. Not super salty. That's a nice cut. Oh yeah. Applause, applause. Okay, we gotta try a sausage. There's a nice flavor. I'm already forgetting which sausages they were. I remember the lighter colored was the Italian, and I don't remember which one this one was, but this one's my favorite. I think my favorite of the meats though is the abadado. Right now here it says eggs benedict and pan-seared salmon. You got pizza, vegetable, cheese, meat lovers, and this is scrambled eggs, southern shrimp and grits. And these are tortellini alla vodka. And we've tried most of the stations down this way. Kind of sporadically chose certain items, of course. You gotta kind of be picky, there's so much to choose from. And so the very end here looks like they have an Asian cuisine with bao buns, steamed egg yolk custard bun. Yeah, that is so cute. Individual rice, vegetable spring rolls, salt and pepper shrimp. Those look really good and big. Charred pork belly, chicken abodado, fried rice, Singapore noodles, kung pao tofu, California rolls, spicy tuna roll, shrimp tempura, vegetable roll. These are little butter shots. And the butter shots are gonna be for your crab legs. Wow, that is nuts. Snow crab too. I wish that they were opened a little bit. And one of the buffets that I have been to, they were opened for you, so you just had to scoop them out. That's my only negative so far. But you do get the little cracker here. Oh my God, this is too much work for me. All right, I got a little bit here. We're trying it, we're trying. I don't know, man, you get 90 minutes. That's taking me a little too long. At least out of all the buffet sushis that I've tried, this has been the better of them, but absolutely nothing like going to get sushi. Do it yourself ramen. You got your noodles, that's beef sirloin. Do a couple tofus, chili. Just a little bit, and then here's your broth. That chili is spicy. I'm glad I went for a very small amount. They need smaller spoons for that because I think someone accidentally put that whole spoonful, but these are good. I forgot they had bone marrow. Wow, very juicy. I feel like the small plates are a game changer. It really elevates the experience. They have to cook it constantly instead of just a whole batch of yellow. I'm glad I started with the budget buffets though. I mean, we still haven't been to Wynn and we still haven't been to the one at Caesars, which are the two big ones, the pricey ones. Because I feel like once you've tried those, like you can't go to the smaller one. Dessert time. These are warm bourbon white chocolate bread pudding. These are little pina colada shots. Double chocolate chip muffins. Chocolate chip cookies. These are gluten-free. All of these are gluten-free. Oh no, I'm missing some stuff because we're too late. I might have to grab this last cheesecake. I was gonna do a walkthrough first before I grabbed anything, but yoink. Ooh, guava cake, cherry pistachio mousse, raspberry filled donuts, and chocolate filled donuts. Chocolate donuts. An apple turnover. These will have strawberry and chocolate pastries. We've got a berry tart, mango coconut tapioca puddings, creme brulee, yes. These are carrot bundt cakes, salted caramel. Oh, we just took it. Oh, that's what that was. These are Cracker Jack caramel peanut chocolate cones and coconut macaroons. You got assorted muffins, egg custard tart, and Rice Krispie treats, but those are Fruity Pebbles, and assorted cookies. Because we're here late, we are missing a few items. They are taking away a few dishes. Saw them take away whatever was right here. But we grabbed, I think, enough. I mean, there's this whole section here. I don't know what was here before, but they also have a ice cream or possibly gelato station. Plenty of flavors here, though. I got Thai tea and birthday cake. Yum! Little scoops, they're so cute. I was being a little cautious of not picking up too much, but she's like, just take them because they were closing it up. And she's like, just grab it, just try it. Like, I don't know, just try this one. Like, okay. So my plate is nutso. Eddie's gonna have to help me out with this. I almost got everything. Sheesh. We'll try what Eddie's possible favorite was, creme brulee. Oh yeah. They're all little mini sizes. I have the mic on me. I don't know if you guys can hear Eddie, but he said that because these are kind of the last couple few that they're making, they didn't have time to caramelize these ones as they normally would. But very creamy. Rice Krispie treat is Fruity Pebbles. It's got like maybe chocolate on the bottom, white chocolate. I've never been too big of a fan of Fruity Pebbles, but this kind of took me right to my childhood. Just that classic Fruity Pebble flavor. The gluten-free bread is definitely gluten-free. And all right, there we go. The inside's a little softer. If you like chocolate and you're gluten-free, I'm sure you'd love that. All right, we're gonna try this cheesecake because there was only one left and it was calling me. All right, here, this is one of their top desserts, the bread pudding. That was really good. I got one of the jelly-filled donuts. It's a nice light flavor to it, fluffy. The birthday cake looks like it has pieces of actual birthday cake in it. It's a very mild flavor though. I honestly can't really taste the birthday cake. Out of the desserts, the creme brulee, the bread pudding, and the Thai tea gelato. All right, now the $1 million question is, would you choose Wicked Spoon over the other buffets on the Las Vegas Strip? Now it's normally $47, and yes, it's well worth it. A lot of the times when there's very high quality, the quantity can be very low, and vice versa. This had a really great range of both. So enough foods with really great quality. I love the small batch. It just kept things fresh. It kept the presentation very appealing. It's also very Instagrammable, which I think is part of the fun when you're traveling. You want to show the foods that you ate, and I'm glad that I finally got to try it. So thank you for joining me on this buffet adventure. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures in Las Vegas and the surrounding areas. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.